I've been checking forums, repair shops, and owner comments about the 2016-2021 Honda BRV to bring you the issues that come up the most. This isn't theory. These are things that actually happen on the road and how you can fix them before they become a headache. One of the most common problems I heard about involves the CVT transmission. Some owners report that when they accelerate, the car jerks or responds slowly, and in more severe cases, the transmission suddenly stops working. A mechanic told me this happens a lot when the transmission fluid isn't changed on time. The CVT overheats, the fluid degrades, and it starts acting up. It's more common than people think. The good news is that if you notice early jerks, you can take it to the dealership for a check and a software update, preventing a small problem from turning into a huge expense. Related to this, many owners also report electrical issues, like the car not starting or the dashboard staying off. One person mentioned that their battery died in less than a year, and it ended up being a problem with the fuel pump. Mechanics explain that it could be a low-quality battery, loose connections, or a failing pump, so it's always a good idea to check these components before the car leaves you stranded. When both systems, transmission and electrical, start acting up, it's very noticeable in daily driving, and having a trusted shop nearby can save you a lot of stress. Another issue that keeps coming up in forums is the air conditioning not cooling properly. Several owners say the cold air comes in pulses, or the fan doesn't always work, especially on hot days. According to technicians, this can be caused by overcharged refrigerant, a blocked expansion valve, or compressor problems. There's no official Honda bulletin for this, but a pressure diagnosis and cleaning or replacing components can get the AC back to cooling properly and save you from overheating. And last but not least, there are noises in the suspension and mechanical parts. Some owners report hearing clunks over bumps or vibrations in the dashboard and tailgate. A mechanic told me this is usually due to worn bushings or shocks or interior parts that loosen over time. The good news is that with a suspension check, bushing replacements, and interior adjustments, those noises disappear and the car feels solid and reliable again.